I'm super excited to do this review of the Panky metal detector. I haven't gotten around to doing a review about it yet because it's one of my favorite metal detectors, and I wanted to take some time to dig with it a little bit more and know its limitations and strengths before I did a review. Right off the bat, let's talk about what you get when you get this product. It comes with the metal detector itself, which is waterproof. You also get an earphone that allows you to listen to what's going on while you're searching for metals. You also get a shovel that allows you to dig through sand quickly and more efficiently, and a bag that holds all your stuff when you're not using it. This Panky metal detector is the best choice for amateur detectors or family fun because of its easy-to-handle design and easy-to-use technology. With an adjustable armrest, an anti-slip handle, and an adjustable stem ranging from 43.3 inches to 60.2 inches, it scores highly on ergonomics. Comfort is important if you're planning a day out at the beach or hiking in the woods. This handy model is worth every cent of the price for both beginners and pros alike. With a light weight of only 2 pounds and an ergonomic design, it's easy for anyone to carry, even children. You can discover valuable metals up to 10 inches underground. Designed to be fully waterproof, it can be used even underwater along the shore of the beach or in a stream. The color LCD screen displays the mode, battery life, sensitivity level, and depth, so you have a better idea of the hidden treasure you're finding, and lights up in the dark so that you can spend hours on the hunt from day to night. There are 5 different modes on this metal detector: all metal mode, disc mode, memory mode, jewelry mode, pinpointer. The all metal mode is great for finding all kinds of metals at once, including coins. The disc mode is good for finding coins with its concentric circle detection pattern. The memory mode allows you to save your settings, so that the next time you use it, you can just turn it on and go back to where you were last time without having to adjust everything again. The jewelry mode uses a pinpointing tone so that you can hear if there's something nearby even if it's buried deep. The Panky has the ability to give you an estimate of what you'll be digging up and how deep it is. Choose the metal that you like to search for or detect them all. Earphones are also included to cut out all that distracting background noise so you can focus on finding treasure. Overall, this metal detector is fantastic and is great for anyone from absolute beginners to intermediate users. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold for long periods, and the lightweight makes it easy to manage. The LCD display is easy to read and lights up beautifully in the dark. So if you're looking for a metal detector that is easy to use, comfortable, and that is great for anyone, this is definitely the one for you. Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.